Step into the 2011 Nissan Altima S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are passenger airbag sensor, intermittent wipers, remote trunk release, variable speed intermittent wipers, front head airbag, bucket seats, engine immobilizer, power windows, and rear defrost. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.